Ah boy.
Yeah, what problem?
Getting high is not a problem.
I know.
No babe will want to date rich guy with money like you.
Thank you.
But the problem now is, can you or will you carry yourself like a man?
Yeah, Frank. How can you ask me such a stupid question? Do I look like a girl to you?
I should be asking you that. I, Frank, should be asking you that. Can't you too soft? You're too soft to my liking. See, this time learn how to stand on your ground. Be your own boss. Guy, you rich. You legit. But don't let your family intervene in your private life anymore. Else, you will later lose that girl and the other ones too.
Lose who?
I swear.
Lose Dikeh.
I swear.
That can only happen over my dead body. That girl is my answered prayer. I cannot lose Dikeh. Let me tell you, I am taking charge. But on this one, I will surprise you. If I can, I'm going to say it for Nanya. I will surprise you. You see that girl? You know what? Do you remember that her girlfriend? I do. I want to go to the bar now, meet her, talk to her, and have her talk to Dikeh for me. Maybe she can have her come to the house to see me.
You see what I'm talking about? You want her to bring that girl for you? No way. Go after her yourself. Talk to her like a big boy you are. Guy, you see, this time, if you want me to kneel down for you, I will. No disgrace me this time. Please. I am begging you, please.
Okay, but we still need to talk to her girlfriend just to make sure everything will go smoothly.
You're a man. Go after her yourself.
As long as you don't call me a woman again. Don't call me a woman again. My guy, I'm bringing her home.
Go there, you see what I told you earlier. Huh? If I talk now, your son will choke life out of me.
Ichie, tell us your finding now. Tell us your findings.
Ichie, I'm sorry. I'm really sorry for the way I treated you. You see, I don't want to be poor again. I know how much I suffered. I know what it took me before I was able to leave this village. I don't want to go back to that condition.
Biko, help us. Biko.
Well, my finding is that you committed abomination against the gods of this land and against your late father.
How?
You did a bad thing by giving a cow to Agnes to bury her mother, when you haven't even buried your own father.
Could that be the reason?
What could it? It is the reason for all the calamities that have befallen you. And I'm even told that more are coming if you do not appease the gods. Huh?
I'm finished too. I did that out of love.
But they counted against you.
Hey!
Please, what do we do?
Huh? You have to provide 5 goats, 3 tubers of yam, a cock, and many other things that we need to cleanse you. Then afterwards you bury your father with 2 cows, 1 for him and then 1 for your grandfather.
That means everything in my account is drained now, including people's money that I have in my account. How can I purchase all these things each year? That means I may not go back to the city anymore. I'll just come and start living in this village. That is what it implies. Because whatever be the case, I will do it. I have to do it.
From America. Mama. Eh? What a sudden visit.
Mama, I'm done with my exams. I am now in
yeah! Hey, Jesus! He's so from an infant and now a mother of a graduate.
Yes, Mama.
That's why I'm a principal now.
I agree to Ma.
Mama, this is my friend Patrick. He decided to bring me home.
Okay, Patrick. Mr. Decider, you're welcome. No, Jai.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Oh, thank you. You're welcome. Name of Mama, you're a handsome boy. You have khaki in your hand. You came with car. Of course, you said you decided to bring her home. I thought maybe you used keke. Wait! What kind of car? I hope he has AC.
Just a small camera.
But is there space at the back for him? Sit down, Namo.
Aloma, please come. There are some things to do. I have to return.
Go and help your sister. Go and help your
Mama,
sister. Well, come. Go.
Mama, I'll be back.
Okay. Oh, you're welcome. Oh, 2 phones, Riva. I don't care now, Papo. Jimmy did this boy! Can I see your glasses? It's nice to meet you too. That's why we are talking. I've got your sunshade. Very nice. You know I wear glasses. I wear glasses. Does it look good on me?
Yes, it does.
Yes.
Oswandi, the truth is, my friend has given up on your friend long time ago. You know this thing called feelings. It might die one way or the other, considering what is affecting it.
I know. Even me as a guy, sometimes I feel so tired of talking to this guy. Jamike, control yourself. I've told him several times. Jamike, control your temper. Jamike, control yourself. But he will not listen. I don't know what else to do. I don't know.
I don't think any woman will want to marry him that way. If my friend can leave him, who wouldn't?
I know what you are talking about, but Beke should maybe give him one more time.
You're right, but you know he keeps embarrassing this girl anytime, every day, anywhere. Eh? As I'm talking to you now, Seth, he doesn't even know she's already seen somebody else. Look my mouth to hear him. I beg
you. Hey. Ha! Now here Wahala go boss. So, are you sure Jamike will take this? Yeah?
Relationship is not by force. Whether he takes it or not, I don't know. My dear, I have to see you some other time.
It's alright, it's alright. Take care. Women. So after all Jamike did for this babe, she's seen another guy. Now let me see how Jamike will receive the news.
Jamike.
Mama.
Nah.
Yes, Mama. Where's the Mama? Let her get me a glass of water.
Oh, I said I could buy something for you. Let me get you the water. Oh.
Don't worry, let me go get it.
No, let me get it. Just wait for me. Let me get it.
You're back.
Yes. Welcome.
Thank you.
I saw the kid today. She's back.
What, where?
I saw her on my way back. She said she'll come and see you. I saw her with one man that was driving her in his car. They went to her house.
Are you sure?
I'm sure, yes. She said she'll come and see you.
Tell Mama I'm coming.
Where are you going? Brother? Mama? I'm back. He went out.
You didn't even drink the water I brought for you. Oh, when are you going to send your project?
Mama, yes, ma'am. He's leaving. He can have his classes.
Thank you.
Possibly in 2 weeks' time. I'm even thinking of working my NYC to Lagos.
That's not a problem now. I know somebody that can help us.
Yes, Mama. I already told her not to worry herself about it. And there's something else I want to tell you, Ma. I love your daughter so much. And I would love to make her my wife. Yes, Ma. It's only that she gives me a hard time, Ma. I need you to help me. I mean, don't we look good together?
I'm looking. You people are like pictures from America. I'm telling you. Of course you look good together. I like what you've just said.
Thank you, Ma.
But not to worry. When you're gone, I will talk to her and sign easy. Eh? You people will make a good couple.
My love, you're back. When did you arrive?
I just came in.
Ogini, you don't want to hug me?
Didn't you see we were talking? What did you do? I even saw your sister. I told her I was going to come and see you later. Just go home, okay? Go home.
One DJ.
Who is he?
Jamike, please. I will appreciate it if you would leave my compound. You're embarrassing my visitor. I mean, my son-in-law.
Eh?
What did I hear you say? I think it's
Eh? Wait! Who is the son-in-law?
Jamike, you shouldn't have done that. He didn't do anything to you. Why did you hit him like that? I think you should go later in the evening. Now come on.
Get out of this compound now before you get here now. Yeah, Mama, talk to him. I'm going to have him arrested. I will arrest him. Eh? You have me arrested.
Jamike, please.
Mama. Wait, you think you can dump me?
No.
You think you can dump me because of this fool? Makoye Fe flower.
Jamike.
Mama,
What do you mean? Eh? For 3 months now, I've been seeing them together. See, babe, don't even get me angry now. Don't even try to get me angry.
What do you mean I shouldn't get you angry? For 3 months, have you asked me about our boy? Were you not the one that told me here you're no longer interested in him?
Eh? And that was why your friend now took over. No problem. Just go and tell her that I will tear her apart. Go and tell her that. Rubbish.
You're joking. Don't let me ask you to leave this place, so stop behaving like a child.
Me, Uloma, behaving like a child. No problem. I am behaving like a child. Udo. But you better go and tell your friend to wait for me because I am coming back. Rubbish.
Point of correction, eh? He is not your man. You hear me? You left him. Do you want him to live all his life single? No. You got interested in my friend. I think you're broke now. That is why you want to come back to our boy's life. And since you've graduated, you're broke. That is why you want to come back.
Broke.
You are late, my friend.
Me, Uloma, broke.
You are late, eh?
No problem.
You are late.
The both of you should wait for me. No wahala. It's because you don't have a boyfriend. Since year 1, do you have a boyfriend? That's why you are so jealous. You want to put asunder between me and a boy. But it won't work for you. Go and tell that your stupid friend that I'm coming back. Tell her that. Rubbish. Akuna.
Broke ass. You want a boy back, Abi?
I don't blame
You want a boy back. Look at you. You want to come and spoil show for me. You want a boy back.
I will let you.
You arrest me.
Jamike, go inside your car. Go inside your car. Jamike, why?
You're okay. You can't motor here.
Jamike,
this car. I will destroy you. Why here?
Jamike, go.
Come down.
Go now.
I will lock him up.
Please, Jamike.
Tell people here. Mama,
please.
Okay, what is now? I'm trying to get this thing that you know. I'm going to get an enemy. Tell you here. Hey. Okay. Check out them. Why can't tell them all? Hello, Yaboya.
Yeah, Mama.
Yeah.
Mama. Yeah, what can
I go, Yala? Eh? Beke.
Mama,
Beke.
see what you have caused. Why did you say that now? What? How can you call him in-law?
Who was that? Hey, Mama.
Hey. Mama, see what you have caused.
Make sure you...
Mama, why did you do that? Why would you call him your in-law in front of Jamike? What was that?
But he said he wants to marry you and I've accepted.
Yes. You have accepted, I've accepted. Why did you do that? Mama, I don't like this, so I don't. Patrick, just calm down. Everything will be fine.
Patrick, I mean a boy. Please, you should start leaving now. Take her and leave. Bianwang, go and bring your sister's bag. I don't want trouble.
Jamike will still look for her in school.
Go and bring the bag first.
I think Mama is right.
Yes.
Mama, you are very right.
I know.
Please get your things. Let me take you to the city. Let's just leave this place at once.
He's
a madman.
Baba, go bring Namo to go with her. Enter the car. Enter the car.
He might come back.
I didn't like we'll talk on the phone. Get in, get in.
Mama,
a boy. Take her. Look, if it's about the bag, don't. She's wasting time. Buy a new bag.
Mama, I don't think he was waiting along the road.
No. Just hurry up. Buy brown pants, new ones for her. Gabano. Because this boy is a very dangerous boy. A mad boy is dangerous. You know? In short. Bye, go.
Mama, I'll kill somebody today. Mama Beke wants to dump me for another man. But I will kill him.
Chimu.
She brought another man home because he has a car. And the mother had the guts to introduce that guy to me as her in-law. After everything I've done, what am I to them then?
Hey!
Anyway, I have shown him a little bit of me. I'm going back now to slice him to pieces.
Baba, come back. Hey!
I saw this coming. I knew it would happen because that girl never loved my son the much he loved her. But since Agnes wants to pay my son for everything he did for them, God will punish that woman. If you do that woman over and over again.
Why would Beke do a thing like this?
Alright, Billy.
She can't dump brother like this, so you have to go back there and talk to her mother.
Hey. Agnes.
You're running there! Okay, Jack out of him! Come on, no one.
Look at the money. Look at the money the young man gave me. Even in the midst of trouble. Can you imagine how much he would have given me if everywhere was calm?
Hi. Jamike, wherever you are, it will never be well with you. Mama. Oh, Guinea.
What you did was wrong. You shouldn't have said that in front of him. You called him in-law. Why?
So? What is wrong with calling the young man in-law? Is he not? The young man says he loves my daughter. That means he wants to marry her. Hi! Something I've always dreamed about is about to happen. My daughter. That is my in-law. If Jamike likes, let him go all over the village screaming and say whatever he likes. That's his business, or basaram.
Mama, this is not fair. Jamike has done so much for us. Even if sister wants to break up with him, at least not this way.
Which other way? No. How do they break up with somebody? See, it is good to break up with somebody once. Why? Give him the information. That's where you have one heart attack and that's it. You recover from it. Jamike, must she marry him?
Mama, you know Jamike. If he comes here now, I don't want his trouble. You know he's very troublesome. I can't stand it.
Hey, what can Jamike do? I can handle Jamike. If he likes, let him speak from one corner of the village to the other. Besides, let me tell you, the young man's younger sister is a police officer.
Mama Beke! You are running, eh? You are running, eh? You locked the door on me. Okay. You think your daughter will dump me and get away with it? I got you. Keep running, no! Keep running. I got food. I got food.
Which kind of woman be this? I tire. Now which kind of woman be this? I tire. What type of woman be this? I tire. What type of mama be this? I tire.
Where is he? Where is he? Where is he? I'm equal to the task. The only reason I ran inside was because he took me by surprise. Yes. Hey! Mama, no, don't run now. No, who is running? I'm not running. I just want to go and keep the money before you steal it. Yes.
Foreign wine, foreign food, foreign woman.
What kind of problem is this? Why would my mother call you her son-in-law before Jamike?
But baby, she wasn't wrong.
She was wrong. Patrick, you are not my husband yet. I told you about Jamike and I needed time to settle things before we make our relationship open. I haven't even accepted your proposal. I just wanted you to bring me home.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry, it has already happened. Okay? What we need to do now is to stand together and fight.
No. That wouldn't be possible. That boy has made lots of sacrifices for me, which I didn't ask him to, but he did those things because he truly loved me. I had plans of going to his house this evening at least to explain things to him, but when I saw his sister, I knew he was going to come.
Alright, can we just go? I don't think this is something we want to talk about here.
Patrick, I won't be at peace. You don't know Jamike, he is ruthless, he's got temper issues. He might kill you or me. I'm just scared.
No, he will not. He will not kill anybody, he won't. You know, let me take you to my house. I am very sure you will be safe in my house. I will personally take you to school every day. If it means talking to my sister and getting you a police officer to guide you every day, then I will do it just to make sure you're protected. You will not kill anybody. You won't. Please, don't let it get to you. You will be fine, honey.
Jamike, I wanted to leave, but not like this.
It's okay. It's okay. Let's go.
My son, you don't have to rush to city so fast. Eh? Because no.
Mama, I'm going there. They will see me there this evening. What's the meaning of this, eh? Do you know how much I've invested in that girl? I will kill her and kill the boy. She cannot dump me. She must marry me. I told him, Mama.
Is that what you want for yourself?
Mama, brother is right. He's now in the village all because of the love he has for her.
I know. But that's not the way to go about it. This is something we have to sit down and talk about.
Sit down and talk when they don't want to listen.
Marriage or by force?
I'll go by force, oh. Nkabukwa by force. Can now get now. Nkabukwa by force.
See, let me go and see Agnes. Let's talk about it. Oh, Biko, just watch over the food on the fire.
Where are you going?
Let me go and see Agnes now.
Okay. Go and see Agnes. If you don't come back and you know you've not seen me there this evening. Can you imagine that? She wants to dump me. Nana guinea me. But you, Nakodi, I can't.
Let me go and check what Mama asked me to do.
Go there. No problem. Let me go and know what is happening there. Mama!
Are you serious with what you are saying?
Did you see any water in my mouth? Huh? Did you see any water in my mouth? Because if your brother's son kills anyone in this village, he will face the dance, so. Okay, he will face the dance.
What is going on? I am on my way to their house. About the mourning garment removal. Well, let's see how it will go.
Okay, you can go. But when you fall Panaga, just use one leg, be going. In case he come out to attack you, I advise you run. We'll go there, say that Agnes' daughter has followed another man. Now Jamike want to kill anybody on his way. Hey. Okay.
Ibe. Arume.
Arume. Okay. Arume. Arume.
Where's your mother? What have your mother and your sister done to my son? Has my son done anything wrong to both of them, apart from loving them more than they deserve?
It's okay, Mama. It hasn't gotten to that. It's okay.
Aloma,
I will slap you. What do you think you're doing?
come slap her! Living without what? Are you stupid?
Ibonyawa! Let me tell you something. I don't care about your choice of words. You can rant, rave, scream as much as you can. Or what's wrong? Let me ask you a question. Did I borrow money from you? Did I borrow money from you and your son? Did you people lend me money? I just had your nabu. You people should leave me alone. Do you understand what I'm saying? Did I give my daughter to you as collateral? Did I?
Is that how you want to put it?
Oh, but that is how it is. How else you want to... Please, leave my compound. Leave my compound. Let me tell you, your son and my daughter, yes, they are having an affair. They haven't even decided which way they are going, whether they are marrying or not or whatever. You're coming here to harass my life. Please get out of my compound.
I will go. No problem.
Nonsense.
But you will regret it.
My daughter will never marry your son. Or not possible. I will regret it.
Mama, why are you doing this now? Why are you doing
Are you mad? Are you mad? Why? Are you stupid? Next time I'll slap on the eye and the mouth. It couldn't be here. Look at her crying like a small girl.
Who is that guy that he could react that way to you people? Who born him? Who is his father?
Frank. You are not even as upset as I am. That guy provoked me. It's just that I did not want to take the laws into my own hands. You know, I come from a very peaceful family. When you're Jimelo, you almost injured me. Jesus. Yes. It's just, you know, I just did not want to call my sister to have him arrested.
Guy, this is not the issue of the police. This is what you and I can handle. I wish I could set my eyes on that bastard, that mascot. I would have dealt with him.
Ross, it hasn't gotten to that point. I just want Jamike and I to settle in peace. I don't want violence in this, please.
But the way he's going about it, do you think he can calm down and listen to us?
He will calm down. I know Jamike very well. Please, babe, I need to go to the village and have a talk with him. Please.
Baby, the man is sad alone. He is a madman. What if he attacks you and injures you?
He won't hurt me. Jamike won't hurt me.
Good dear.
Sir? Good afternoon, sir.
Good Good afternoon. Where are you coming from? I went to your house to check how you are planning for the removal of the mourning garment. I met Ebere. What am I hearing?
Ichie, how can I sit at home to prepare for the removal of this mourning clothes, as you rightly said, when my house is on fire?
What?
When all is not well with my son.
Again?
Oh, you've not heard. You've not heard what happened. Agnes and her daughter Dikeh, they decided to dump my son after sapping all the blood in his system. It's your demon. Is it fair? Eh?
You see, I saw this coming. Go there. I saw it coming. That was why I did not support the relationship in the first place. Who does not know Agnes? I know that after they have finished using your son, they will dump him. Eh? Especially now that he no longer has money.
Ichie, my son has left to the city to go and attack the boy that wants to come and marry Dikeh. But today my problem, I couldn't stop him. You know Jamaica now. You know his life. Ichie, I am finished. Look at me. No husband. The son that was consoling me is nowhere to be found. When will I have peace? When will you go there have peace? I am tired.
It's okay. Go home. When he comes back, we will talk.
Oh.
Agnes cannot do this. She must pay Jamaica back. And this time, I will make sure I support Jamaica to do anything he likes. Yes, anything.
Dalo, oh, thank you very much. Oh, and you didn't stay for me to give you cola.
I had to go.
Oh.
Just go and rest.
Oh.
Go and rest.
Thank you. Thank you. Oh.
She wants to drop everything. Now which kind of woman be this? I tire. Now which
take care. So that madman pursued my friend to the village. It's alright. It's better she stays there. As for me, I've almost finished the money he gave me.
Dikeh! Dikeh! Where's Dikeh?
Bros, what's the meaning of this?
Where's Dikeh? Where's she?
She's not here. Why did you slap me?
If you... I will destroy everything in this house. Where is she?
Okay. Calm down. I'll tell you, she's not here. She's in Pat's place.
Who is Pat? Who is Pat? Take me there now. Now! Move it.
I'm going. You're ready?
Don't take me there now.
I don't like this. That is what I am saying. Jamaica doesn't deserve to be separated from me like that. Mama, even if I have decided to marry Patrick, I still need to sit down and talk with Jamaica. We need to have a heart-to-heart talk. Mama, Mba, you were the one who started this problem. Don't put the blame on him. Why would you call Patrick your son-in-law in front of him? You know how Jamaica behaves. Mama, I'm begging you. Please, don't go around making trouble. I will come to the village so that we can talk about this. Mama, yes, now you have to return the money to him. You know he will always come back and want us to settle him. Mama, please, enough of this problem. I'll call you later. Mama, please, enough of this. I'll call you later.
It's okay, baby. Don't let this get to you too much. So, he's talking about settlement. You shouldn't let that bother you. You know I can always pay him double of whatever he has spent on you.
Patrick, settling him is not the problem. I did not bargain for this.
And please, you need to talk to your friend. Fighting will not solve this problem.
I will talk to him. Please, just... You need to get some rest.
I can't rest. What I need to do now is to go back to the village. I need us to settle this thing once and for all. Imagine, my mother said that his own mother came to the house. I know what is going on in the village, but that is not even bothering me. The thing is, I don't want Jamike and I to be separated this way.
But what is even wrong with her? Is he sick or something? I mean, he's supposed to understand marriage is not supposed to be by force. Is he going to force you to love him and marry him? What am I?
It is not possible. I will not pay him. I will not even pay him chicken for what now? Oh, wait. When he was busy sleeping with my daughter, did he pay anything? Mba, he was free of charge. Who does free of charge something these days? Yes, now. If you should start calculating how many times he slept with my daughter, hey, that boy can't even pay back. Even if they contribute his money to ritualists or man what anything. So please, you people stop telling me to pay back what? Pay back what? Please.
Mama, this thing is not shouting matter. It's not shouting matter. What I think is that we should just settle this thing amicably. At the rate Jamike is going now, I don't think we want to see sister get married to another man. Makagi. I don't want him to hurt me.
Hurt Onye? Hurt who? Makagi, he will hurt us. Hurt us how? No, what are you talking about? So, when somebody says they will not marry whoever wants to marry them, it has become a sin. Obana, somebody hurting us, it cannot happen now.
Agnes.
Agnes.
Yes. Ugodia is going about the village telling everybody that your daughter has dumped her son after you have rendered him moneyless.
Mrs. Nteno, every time you hear and when you hear, you come and tell me. What is my business now? We rendered him moneyless up here. How? Okay, because of that integrity money. Then he sometimes gives to my daughter to buy sanitary towel. They're going to buy a sanitary towel. Or is it this small financial help he gives us once in a while when we run out of bread? He doesn't even give us money to buy better bread from those big shops. How about this 2 naira bread by the roadside? Is that what we are talking about? Please, Bikonu, there's nothing that I'm paying back. I will not pay back. But let me even ask you. Is marriage by force?
No. But.
There is no but. There can never be a but. It's either you want to marry or you do not want to marry. So, Biko, my daughter has said that she does not want to marry Jamike. I don't see what. There's no big deal in it now. Ogini don't know.
Why you were asking for money, Uncle?
Who asked for money? Because he was showing off. And I thought he had too much. He didn't want to, scatter the money anyhow. He didn't want to go to the bank. From the money. So you
we have to do something about this.
Please, if you want to.
That guy can do anything.
This babe makes sense, Dad. See, you have to fight this guy with everything you have. I mean everything. With money, you will win her heart.
Frank, you insult me. Fight who? That miscreant. He's just an empty vessel. She is mine already. Let me tell you what I will do. I will shut him up with money. Good money. I will give him 5 million naira. Yes, I heard he's very frustrated and hungry. And by the time I'm giving the 5 million naira, he can go to hell. 5 million will definitely cover whatever expenses he claims he has made on my girlfriend.
That's it.
Fight who? Who is doing that? Who is that?
It's me, open the gate.
Where is he? Where's the case? Get her out! If you do not leave this compound this very minute, I will deal with you. One more word and I will redesign your face with this. Where is the key?
Guy, you lie! You lie!
Can you imagine?
You? How can you invade in someone's privacy like that? Leave this at this minute before you
get out!
Out!
Whose voice am I hearing outside?
It's Jamike.
What?
Jamike, oh. Jamike. It's Jamike.
What is he doing here?
I don't know.
My goodness, how did he find this place?
I think it was Nancy. Nancy brought him to the house.
Nancy?
Yes.
Hey. Why would Nancy do a thing like that, sir? Listen, I have to go out there. I have to know.
Hey, Biko, Alopaniawa, please! Unyala, do you know he's attacking Frank? Baby, please, if he sees you, he will attack you.
That's the main reason I have to go out there to know what is happening.
Hey, baby! Hey, sister. What is wrong with your number?
Oh, Becky! So you're here? You're here? You're going with me? Guys, let me throw for that. Let me throw for that. Marry me.
Listen, you need to calm down. You can't marry me by force.
You must. I will marry you by force.
Lock me
down. Hey!
Abo, you're here.
No.
Eh?
What happened?
So you're here?
Yes, don't worry, baby. Just calm down. I have everything under control. You should stay outside. Police will carry him.
Police? Abo, is this the way you intend to defend your own home? You didn't even bother to know what was happening outside. Jamike almost killed us out there.
No, now.
That is bad.
What is bad? I have this, please. I have this under control. I'm here taking care of this situation. I have called my sister. They will soon be here and they will be sleeping in jail tonight. I have told you Ghana Bania. So please, just calm down. You know, Pico, calm down. Did you see Frank? Where is Frank?
Frank has left. That guy almost killed Frank.
Hi! Just because I'm not there. He wanted to kill my friend because I wasn't there. He's going to sleep in jail. Oh, you're He almost killed my friend.
You want to cry? Huh? What is wrong with this? What is wrong with this?
Don't worry.
You're just shameless.
Hurry! Lie down there! You will pay for all of this. You will pay. Lie down here. You will pay for it. You will be here with me until they come. Okay? If you move, I'll blast your head with this. I'll blast your head with this.
Oh God, allow my son to pass through this pain. God knows that my son doesn't deserve this kind of treatment. He doesn't deserve it.
Go, dear. You have to calm down. Let God judge them. I said it before. Your son was madly in love with that girl. What has he not done for her?
Look at what my son is going through. They have used him. I only realize now that he has anger problem. Threw him away. Ah, God.
Mama, God. I know my brother would not allow them. They will pay him back every kobo he spent on her.
But God will pay them back. Especially Agnes. God will pay you back. God will pay you back. God will judge you for the rest of your life.
Mama, it's okay. Stop shedding tears because of them.
Dikeh! If you don't come out of this house, I will not leave this compound. You must marry me whether you like it or not. Dikeh, better lock yourself in there. Because if you come out, you will see the other side of it.
Gate man! Open this gate!
Nobody goes out or comes into this compound.
Your sister is out there. You mean you're not going to go out at least to know what is happening there? What is wrong with you?
It is not like that. You know I'm hot headed. You want me to go out there and commit murder? You should come take it, come go mad. You wouldn't like it. Eh?
Do you want your sister to remain there? Pat, please go outside.
It's not about my sister. It's about committing murder. I don't want to go there and kill someone.
Aboya, please try. Make an attempt to do something. Are we going to remain inside this? Are we under house arrest? What is it? Eh? Are we getting a Maggie? Why are you fidgeting? Is it when you are sweating? Eh? I said open this gate. I am your God's sister. Open this gate.
If you make any move, if you get up from that floor, I will blast your skull and splash your brain all over this compound.
Now open this gate.
Young man, don't move. Gate man, open the gate.
Open this gate.
Move, I will blast your head. I swear I will shoot you.
Dikeh, you went inside and called the police for me?
Open this gate. Open this gate.
I have a clear shot.
Hey, dude!
So, you are the one stopping this from this. Now move it. Officer, take him.
You are under arrest. You have the right to remain silent. Hey! Whatever you say or do here will be held against you as evidence in the court of law. You have the right to an attorney. If you don't have one, the state will provide you.
Drop the weapon. Shut him. Drop that weapon. Shut him. Drop that weapon.
Your weapon.
Now move it.
Move.
Move it.
Move it.
Step aside.
I don't have money.
Step aside.
I used to be
Step aside.
in my house.
Keep moving.
I used to be in my house. Hey!
Keep moving.
Who is it? Who are you?
Now move it.
Hey!
Move it.
Get on your book. Who are you? Child! Somebody! Come back here! I will never see you. What is that?
Now move it. Move it.
Get inside. In my house. In my house. Keep moving. In my house. Lock him up. Can you imagine? Huh? Have they left? Send him to prison! You never allowed me to deal with him, oh. Why did you allow me to deal with him? Eh? Eh? What kind of nonsense?
It's okay.
They're taking him, eh? You should have locked him up.
Ije, what has my son done to God? Ije, what has my son done to Agnes? What have I done to Agnes and her daughter to warrant this humiliation? Look at what they did to my son. What did he ever do wrong to them? Hey!
Go there. No. We will not take this. I cannot stay calm in this matter. What has Dikeh done to warrant his being arrested? What?
Mama, I think what we should do now is find a way to go to the city and bail him.
I am going to Agnes. If she refuses to bail Dikeh, this village will not contain both of us. I will make sure she regrets it. Huh?
Police cell my son did not do anything wrong to her apart from loving her daughter.
This is more than enough. We'll go there. Please. It's okay. Huh? Please. Leave it for me. Leave it for me. If she refuses to bail him, watch out what I will do to her.
I want Dikeh to stay away from that devil. I want him, he wouldn't listen. He was following her like a fly, following faces. He wouldn't listen. Look at what they've done to him. Look at the humiliation.
We'll go there. It's okay. It's okay. Leave it for me. If she refuses to bail him, watch out what I will do to her. Watch out. I'm going there now. Rubbish! Rubbish! Hey!
Elders, never! They lock me up. Okay. Okay.
Jamike, please calm down. Eh? We are here to settle this matter before it gets out of hand. It is true that both of you did not invite us when you were starting this. And now that it has resulted into a problem, you have invited us. That's why we are here. Eh? Please, let us settle this matter. Calm down.
Jamike, Butu, eh? Wait, Dikeh and Agnes, what do you have to say in this matter?
Nani Biko, Madam Agnes. Anyway, there's nothing to say than my daughter does not want to marry Jamike. Please let me ask, is it by force to marry somebody? I mean, if you don't love someone, you don't have to marry them. And that's final.
If Rosie, that is final. When you people were busy taking everything from him, you didn't know? You didn't know you weren't going to marry him?
Take what?
Okay, for again.
Nah, Nkeni, you have I ever asked you for anything? Everything you gave to me and my family, you gave willingly.
Give me Chipono, give me wine.
Oh, no shit.
Who gave you anything willingly?
You're disrespectful.
Was it willingly?
I beg you for money. I just said I don't take local wine. You will go nyam nsigi jidega. Ijo ifanya mi anaka. Hey!
Here now.
Even let me even ask, elders, please. When he was busy sleeping with my daughter, did you pay her for anything? Eh? Did you pay? I gave her to you as a virgin. You can return her like that. It's enough for free. Hey, Abazu.
That is truth, and nothing but the truth. My elders, I didn't see anything in this matter. The case is simple. Jamike and Dikeh, they were in a relationship. He helped her, and she paid back in a woman's way.
Yes.
So, since Dikeh refused to marry you, Jamike, if you met a you saw ya.
Asige Nase. She must marry me. I swear to God, I will burn down this village. Come and move, dog. I will burn down this village. You will marry me.
I will not marry
you. You will marry me.
I have been trying to calm you down. You will not.
You will marry me.
My elders, is it by force to marry somebody? Is marriage by force? Jamike, I will not marry you.
You will not marry me.
Yes.
You will not marry me.
I will not marry you.
Jamike, calm down. Calm down. Relax. Don't let frustration make you commit murder.
What's again?
Who is frustrated?
I'm not frustrated.
Who is frustrated? When did you see this frustrated? Do you know how much I've invested in this girl? How are you going to see this girl?
See what it was. This boy has gone mad. Wait. Your son has gone mad.
Yeah, where did you go that thing?
This boy has gone mad.
He's frustrated.
Is he not frustrated?
Aloma, how are you?
I am fine. How are you?
I'm fine.
Nne, let's go, Joe. Why are you even stopping to ask her how she's doing?
She's my friend.
Your friend?
She's our friend.
Please, why won't she feel okay when she now has new in-laws to be? Anyway, me, I will say my mind though. Whatever anyone has done to other people will surely come back to them.
Why are you talking to me like this now? What did I do to you?
Are you asking me?
So you don't know what you've done? Let me tell you. Tell your mother and sister that what they have done to Jamike is not fair. That is not how life is at all. It's not fair.
Anyway, Aloma, see what people did to Jamike is not good. It's not good at all. Jamike has been a helpful hand to you and your family. Even the whole villagers know. It's now that he's having problem with your sister, that she now know that she doesn't love Jamike. Jamike has hot temper problem. It's not fair.
See me local champion so. Am I my mother? Am I my sister? What's my business inside?
Abel, shut up! Eh? I say shut up! Don't get me angry before I will fight and beat you here over what your mother and sister has done.
Ne, leave her.
Leave me.
It's not your life, oh. It's their family. It's their life. Leave them.
No, leave me.
Let's go.
Let me teach her a lesson.
Look at her. Leave her. Carry your gallon. Let's go.
Foolish girl. One day what you have done to Jamike, somebody will also do it to you.
Abel, let's go.
Now me this girl just curse. Don't worry, I will. Hey, just curse.
Hey! I will finish you here. I will finish you here. Wait, just wait. Beep, wait. Hey!
See, what
now me you do?
Hey, let me shift. Go one side, second side. Now me you cause.
Where? Don't insult me, join.
Leave. Now you
your family problem.
Leave me, man. Deal with this girl.
It's their life.
Wait. You fit beat me. Now me, you fit beat me.
Somebody help, please.
Mama, I cannot take this. That boy, that fool cannot keep tormenting our brother just because he spent some peanuts on the girl. The girl said she doesn't want to marry him. Is that too hard for him to understand?
What I did to him is small to what I will do to him if he dares a boy. What do you call more for ma?
Sister, calm down. I want you to leave that boy to me. I will handle him. If it means paying him off, if it means giving him 10 million naira, then that is what I will do. He's a nobody.
Of course. Mama, I have seen that girl. She's a very beautiful girl. Suitable for our brother, our boy. Very suitable. Perfect.
My children. This is issue of marriage. And it is not what we have to discuss in this way.
It's an issue of marriage. Dinner woman. We are talking of marriage here.
Okwu di na nwunye ga na-ekwu for better and for worse. That's what we are talking about here. Na mgbe ọ dị na mgbe ọ dịghị ọ ga-edikwa. That's what we are saying. Boy, have you checked properly? You check have you checked very, very well if you and that girl are meant to live?
Mama, the thing is, you call me a boy and then that makes you think I'm still a little boy. Mama, I'm a grown man. I know when I see a girl that is my match. Mama, I have checked her out. I have spent time with her. She is beautiful. She is even more beautiful on the inside than she is on the outside. Mama, she is sweet. She is respectful. She is decent. And she is as calm as I am.
Mama, yes. Mama, I have told you that this girl is beautiful. And she's perfect for her brother. Somebody should please go and talk to that boy's family. Let him know the family the girl is coming into. If he doesn't want my problem, if he tries us, I will jail him. I will jail him.
Sister, don't worry. I'll pay him off. He's a nobody. I will bring him back.
I trust you, my friend.
You see that Jamik? He can do whatever he likes. Obasarom. If he thinks I'm going to run away from him, I will face him squarely. Fire for fire.
Mommy, I don't care what he wants to do. Anything he wants to do, he can go ahead. After all, I have tried talking to him. He has bluntly refused. For the fact that he has gone to the whole village and spread this whole news to them, I will not marry him. I won't. If he wants, let him come here and kill me.
Kill you? He won't kill you. Rather, he will kill himself.
Mama, nobody will die. Nobody will die. Nobody is killing anybody here. And what is all this now? Let's settle this matter in peace. Jamike is not a bad person. The only problem he has is that he has anger problem. That's all.
Aloma. If I slap you, yeah, mama go like it.
Because don't mind her. Let her open her mouth and be bossy saying whatever she likes. I don't blame you.
It's obvious you have something to do with Jamike. Yes, because you're always defending him.
Thank you, Mama.
Mama,
the best thing is for her to go ahead and marry Jamike. After all, you are a woman.
Go ahead. Is anybody stopping you? Mama, I don't care. Anything he wants to do, let him go ahead. I will not marry him. In fact, a boy can even settle him for everything he has spent on me. He can channel the money through me and then I send it to him. But you see that money that he lent me, I am not refunding anything. That's all. As for this one, if you go near Jamaica and shout, the little brain left will disappear.
You can advise her, you can't pass jump. Advise her.
You've not even passed WAEC very well. Remember, somebody took the exam for you. Thank your mother for that. Neko, you can't pass.
I be punished because of my weak point.
Mama, if I don't kill that girl, call me.
Mama, you won't kill anyone. Eh? You won't kill anyone. Jamike, no, you won't kill anyone. You're not going to murder, make a wine. What about the wine? See, allow them to go. Since they decided to put it that way, let that girl go.
No way.
Go,
No way. I am going to their place now. Mama, they will see the other side of me.
Mama, brother is right. Let him do what he wants. Biki cannot go scot-free.
What's your problem?
How can I be used like that and dumped? When she was collecting all those things, she did not. Mama no tako kamo. She will marry me. And when he do come, baby, I know. That's fine. No,
Ibe, I warned him, but he wouldn't listen.
He thinks he can win this case. He can never win because he cannot force the girl to marry him. But Okoye, talk to him. Warn him. I cannot support him. I can never support him. This will be his first and last time he will come close to me. I will deal with him. I will.
Ibe.
Okoye.
Me. You want him to strangle me again?
He's your brother's son.
Mbano. No way. He wants to show that he's a tiger. Then let him fight. Agnes is a learned woman.
She knows how to deal with him.
he wants to take back what he gave to a woman. Can he pay back for all those nights of 4 legs, all those worry, all those bedding on his bed, on her bed, whatever bed? Can he pay back for all those nights? Okay, my man.
Ibe.
No, Papa, it's okay. It's fine. We'll take care of it. Yes. So, did you still see your mother? It's okay. I'll talk to you later. Alright. Okay, bye.
That's the kind of call I like you answering. But there's something you did not do. You didn't say, bye, love. And you could have kissed into the phone.
Mama! Well, you know what, Mama?
What?
You see, Jamike, I am ready for him. If he wants to bring trouble here, let him bring the trouble. I am ready for him, Mama.
We'll handle the trouble.
Mama?
Is it not Jamike I'm seeing? No, Jamike, with the knife.
Mama,
with the knife. With the knife, Jamike. You're here. Is that not Jamike? Is that not Jamike?
Don't have it all time. Open the door. Open the door now, Dikeh. Oh, you're running there? If you like, run to the moon and back. You come out and meet me here. You cannot eat that for free. Dikeh. Okay, let's see. Let's see. Be running. Be running. Come out here now, Dikeh. Come, I will damage. I will damage. I will damage something, no. I will damage this cow. I will damage this cow. I will damage this cow. Dikeh. You are running there? Be running, no. I'll be here. You think you can eat my money and dump me? Imemia! Dikeh, you can't do it!
Mama, what do we do? What do we do now? I don't know. Who do we call? I don't know. I don't know the way this boy is acting. He's going to hurt us.
Are you afraid? Mama, I told you. I told you. Now see.
Mama, listen. What we need to do now is for you to call any of the elders. This boy is doing this to me because I don't have a son. I mean, if I had a son, would he come here and be knocking on my door like that? Hi. Maybe you should call that boy. Let him come here with please. Hey now.
My second daughter. Aboy!
Hey, Mama.
You've heard all I said.
Everything.
Please, instead of you trying to marry that girl and enter into trouble, very big problem with that boy.
Mama,
Please leave I know.
Mama, I need you to stop worrying yourself. He cannot do anything to me. I mean, that's when I have sister by my side. Because Zoe is not working so good.
Mom, you have nothing to worry about. That fool cannot near a boy. He cannot give him trouble now. I have told her that he must marry my brother. And it will work. Oh, Mona.
Mama.
Mama, don't worry. Don't worry yourself. Let's go now.
Chika, how are you?
I don't know. Good evening.
Chika, Mama. Ma, how are you?
I'm fine, ma.
And how are your family?
They are doing well. Here is the dollar you asked me to bring.
Oh, Udale, me. Hey, Aboy.
Okay, I should take some,
Mama, Mama, don't worry. We should start going now. The time is late. Well, let's go.
Sister, let me take a look.
Oga, move it. Mama, later. Mama.
Don't worry. See, when nothing like I got them here. Aboy is my son. I am their mother, and I will do all my best to make sure Aboy will marry you. And I know you will win one pong. And I love you. You know, that you don't know. You are going to help me now. Fetch firewood so that let's start cooking.
Okay.
Mba!
You should start from that way. Mama, don't go.
Biko, stay here. I'll go outside and talk to him. Let me face him, Mama. Biko.
You want to go where? He will just beat you blue black.
What do you want me to do?
You better call a boy to get
police. At this point, a boy cannot do anything. He's very fine with me. Keep your phone,
Yeah.
Afraid of what? Afraid of what?
That's what
she said I should wait.
Charity, I am here. Kill me.
I'll kill you. I will kill you. Do you think you can dump me like that?
Jamike, I will not marry you. I will not marry you since you want to do it by force. I will not marry you.
I will kill you. Did you think I was a fool? Did you think I was an idiot? Is that what you thought? I was a fool?
Jamie!
I will kill you and nothing will happen. You will marry me. Don't do it. You will marry me.
I will not marry you. Don't.
Mama, she can't marry another man. I'm barely going to here. Barely going to here. Are you mad?
Don't kill her. Don't kill her. People leave her. Please, Abby. Don't do it. If you kill her, what happens to me? If you look at me, just look at me, your mother, look at me. I'm a widow.
Brother, please don't do this.
Oh, Mama! Mama, this girl be going to.
Okay, chicken and so If you take it to jail, what becomes of me? Huh? I will die. Please don't do it. Just leave her.
Brother,
just leave her.
Please, we beg you, please.
Look at me.
You will marry me. I swear to God. You must marry me. You will never marry another man. I will not leave and see you marry another man. Mark my word.
I will not marry you. I will not marry you. We shall see. We shall see, and I will not marry you. God. If you give my one, you meet your Waterloo. I will not meet my Waterloo. God will not touch you. Where is that woman? Where is she that wants to threaten my child? Where is she? Nonsense.
Mama, it's okay. They are gone.
They are gone. What kind of rubbish is that?
Mama, it is okay.
Eh?
Come on, let's go.
She's here abusing you.
Why are you holding her? Mama, go now. Allow her go now. Allow her go and fight. Mama, go and fight.
See, person will not fit pass. Chima! See my car! My car! Look at what the... Ah! The only designer car in the country.
Mama, it's okay.
Give me, it's okay. Jamike must pay. Oga Google motor. Hi! Oh!
Mama, it's okay.
Hey!
It's okay.
My car! My car! There's no other car like this in this town. This one must pay. Ah, Jamike! My daughter and her husband to be. Myself and the police officer with, the rest of them behind. We're here to ask you to please ask this young man by name Jamike, something like that.
Young man by name.
That he should please tell us how much he feels he has spent on my family. So that my son-in-law here can refund him everything.
Exactly.
Whatever he gained when he was dating my daughter, he can keep as his benefit.
Whatever I spent on you, I cannot qualify it monetarily, but it's okay. I'll let it pass. Go.